It's a new season on iRating, so we're going to start our Time Trial Tuesday series again. So we're going to use the MX5 this time. So if you want to join in, then you go down to Time Attack on the main screen in iRacing, click on that, and then you get all of the different time trials that are going on. And we want to scroll on down and find the MX5 somewhere. I think it's a bit further on down. We did the Vs last time. This time we're going to try a sports car, and the MX5 should be great fun. Here we go. So there's 12 tracks. We're using the MX5. It's fixed. So it's all about the driver, not about the setup. So we click on that. And here we are. So someone's already done it. They were very quick to get in there. I've not tried any of them yet. But we're going to do one a week. I need to check the dates. I think we've got until, it'll be to the end of this season. So June the 9th. I will check as we get a bit closer. One week we might do 2 tracks, but we're going to do 1 track a week, I think. And I'm going to have a go on Summit Point. So let's see how we get on. Here we are then. We're ready to go. So we'll get going and see what time we've got to beat. I think it's somewhere around, it's a 120.974. So I guess let's get into the 121s first and see how we do. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so we don't have to worry about the cold tyre trick that we used to worry about in the Formula V. I think with this one, we just drive it, get it warm, and see how we get on. See if we can get onto the straight at decent speed.
Green flag.
That's not too bad. And we'll see. We'll see on the ghost car if it's already going faster than us. The line's quite a long way down. Here we go. Gosh, we're sort of inside the ghost car. That's a bit odd, isn't it? Okay. I think I've outbraked myself. I have. I was doing Lime Rock Park the other day, and you brake a lot later. So clearly, I need to get sorted on that. Need to think about whether we change into 5th as well. That's one good thing here. I can actually see his brake lights. So that's quite handy. And we'll see what we can do. I'll give myself a lap or 2 just to get up to speed. I think I'm a bit off the pace at the moment. This is watching this in real time, so I'm sort of coming to it cold. But I do know this track and car, and I've driven it relatively recently, I think in the last few weeks. So we'll see. I do like the MX5. And the fixed setup is okay for me. I don't mind it too much. It's a bit slidey, but it's all right. Okay, we're a bit far behind now, aren't we? So that corner's going to be key, isn't it, for getting good speed down the straight? And let's see. No, actually, we're still right with it, aren't we? So the question there is, should I be in 1st or 2nd coming out? 2nd feels like we've lost a bit of time, doesn't it? So maybe we'll try 1st next time round. A bit better, a bit more grip now. It's not getting away too much. I shouldn't have come down to 1st, should I? That was not the right thing to do. Okay, we're learning. Just got to get into the groove. I'll see you at the start again. Okay, here we come. I think the other good thing is I won't be losing time on the gear changes like I was in the V. I don't have to worry about that so much. Because the sequential box is fine. Do we think 1st? Although, still lost a bit of time, didn't we? I think braked a bit too late, really, and lost a bit of time coming out. We'll see if we can get a representative lap in anyway. Lost a little bit of time coming out there. Yeah, maybe second. It's not the right gear. Losing a little bit around there. Losing a little bit here. Okay. We haven't done a very good lap yet, have we? It's a bit quicker through there as well. Yeah, we haven't done a proper lap yet. This will be our first one, I think.
21.727.
Right, I'm going to reset and I'll see you as we cross the line. Okay. So a bit slow across the line. I think that first, when you first set off, there isn't enough time to get up to speed. Our tyres aren't quite ready. We're not far off, are we? Let's see what we can do through this section. Tyres are not quite. Yeah, not quite. I'll see you at the start. Okay, here we go then. So, better start that time actually from the standing start. Let's see how we get on down here then. I don't think the tyres are quite ready. Actually got ahead a little bit there. I think the tyres are not quite as grippy as they need to be. So I think the next lap will be the one. Because we've gone off track there, yeah. We'll just keep with him. Well, this looks good, doesn't it? It looks like, whoever this is, we can probably keep with them once the tyres are warm. So, we should be relatively close, I think. I've always been pretty good in the Mazda. But what we don't know, of course, is how quick this guy is. They happen to be first, but they might not be that quick. And you all might come on and absolutely beat us all. Actually got a bit of speed on the straight now. We're getting away, look. Slow through there though, aren't we? Very slow through there actually. It's not good. Okay. Well, it won't be this lap, but maybe the next one will be a bit closer. Oh, goodness. Goodness sake. Oh dear. Okay. I will get it. I will get it. Let's start again then. So I think we've got potential, haven't we? Tyres just aren't ready. I think next lap round, we'll see how we go. So I'll see you at the start. Right. Tyres should be warm. I'm hoping. Okay, slightly better at that time. So more or less with them. 0.04 away. were faster in and slower out there. Okay. Still within touching distance though. Not a bad line through there, so we're pretty close, aren't we? I think we can do better. Catching along the straight. That bodes well for the next lap, doesn't it?
21 point.
Yeah, we're getting away a little bit. We're ahead. Only just. Done well there. Still ahead by a tenth. It's closing in. Have we got enough? Yes, we're pulling away. Woo, we're going to do it. Wow. First time I've done that.
9.3.
We're the leader. Okay, I think we'll stop there, shall we? Let's go and have a look at the results. Okay, well, here we are. So top at the moment, 120.930. Happy with that. Just took a little bit off from Cyril. John is in the Discord. He's a little bit behind, but we've probably only just started, so I'm sure those times have come down. But yeah, I'm surprised, pleased and surprised, although I suspect lots of people are going to come on and go quicker. But for now, I'm top. So yeah, very pleased with that. Anyway, give it a go. It's really good fun, and it sort of really forces you to think about your driving and where you're getting speed and losing speed and all sorts of things. So yeah, give it a go. Stick your times in the comments, and look forward to next week when we'll be doing the Okayama full course. Not my best track, so we'll see how that one goes as well. But anyway, for now, I'm top of the par. So pleased with that. Anyway, if you want to see more, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and tell your friends. And maybe I'll see you next time at the track.